Let's have a look at the display mode. The display mode decides the relationship between the text or the exercise and the pictures you have on your page. And now it's possible to set them in different settings. So normally you have the default setting next to the content for the picture, but it's also possible to set the picture as a background, and then you will see the text or the exercise pop up above the picture. It's also possible to have no image at all, like that, but let's go back to next to the content, the original one. It's also possible to move the text to the right-hand side instead. And it's also possible to have the text centered, but as you see here, it's not working with next to the content. You have to set show image as a background to make the text centered. It is also possible here to choose the size of the content and the box here, how wide it will be. So if we have a narrow one, it will look like this. Maybe we want to change this a bit. And we can have a wide box as well. Or we can have the box adapt to the length of the text. And this is what will happen then. Let's have it centered like that. Could be rather nice, but if we go back here and say we take out some of the text here, yeah, then you will see the box adapts to the length of the text. So then you have quite a few options how to display your content in display mode.